give you some of the sun, some of the joy, you will you shall have David, you will also do joy, you will always have to do all the journey to the sun and the oil, catch it, really give just stand up, Papa, this hectic. Jagakim can do Denmark, but the skin of the Mandarin with what you will get paid on here rather than 100 chicken to stand up. She said, Jagakim was some other position of the weekend. Look, they can get opportunity. Stand up, Papa, Saravanda Gala, non one, two. Oh, yeah. This one, actually, when I was teenager, I think it probably about my age 10. That time in my one my monastery. It's called Mahakilongunda. That time they started establish Shetra. Shetra, everybody know. That is study Buddhist text. That's kind of maybe say small college or something. Yeah. Then that time there we have actually three people. We studied from first chapter, including there's commentary, including commentary. Then the second chapter also too. Then third chapter. Then last chapter only we just did read, but not the commentary. Then that time, then our three these monks should to by our heart this read including their commentary. That time I think probably maybe 10, about 10 or maybe 9. I can't really not over 10, probably maybe 9. Then all of these three then do this kind of history and the even Mugming, then you are what? The Mugming Salapona, that teaching what they would need the you take is your.
We also do one is put names and who's coming out.
Yeah.
This person needs to pass exam.
Yeah. That's time for me. That's Jean-Pierre Sémion, the third one. Then that's also very excited, because everybody did very good preparation. Also, think show off. That's also. Then also, meanwhile, have a little bit 紧张叫什么？紧张的你该得 nervous, yes. Also a little bit nervous. First time a little bit nervous, then not nervous. That's That's also quite nice, quite fine. So this is the very good study for as beginning. Then also everybody know Patrul Rinpoche always teaching Bodhisattva Jaya Avatara for maybe everywhere, also every year. Then very famous one in Dzogchen, Dzogchen Hirsinga. And there he teaches this. Then in the summer, then everybody can get one flower. We said Medok Serchin, but I don't know Medok Serchin Karizigona. Kind of flower. Usually that flower only maybe 5 or 8 Dhamma petals. But Patrul Rinpoche teaching that area, you can find very special Medok Serchin. Then that's called Gyunjung Medok, Gyunjung flower. Then Dhamma Sumchuje, 30 petals a day, 30 petals. That's very special. Only that area, not others, very difficult to can find even over 10 petals. That's why. So that is very, very special. So that's also called Gyunjung Medok. That's so today I also come to here, give this transmission and 给大家结缘。What is 结缘？给大家结缘。
Make a good connection with us.
Yes. That's also very good stimuler. 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 Yeah, maybe good connections. Yeah. Or species. Yeah, species. Yeah, that's connections. I'm so happy. I take this order. Happily. That's also very good. Then something then also I wanted to tell you. Everybody also talk about this Donchinzi. Donchinzi was probably maybe about maybe 30, maybe 14 or sometimes that time. His health was quite weak. Then one day he went to in Zachuka. Then just meet this Ranyak Patrul. Ranyak Patrul is your what is Ranyak Tuchin? Grandfather in good?
Patrul, which is first Ranyak Patrul's father. Grandfather.
Grandfather. That is his grandfather. Then Donchinzi went there. Then he did Ranyak Truptop. Ranyak Truptop. Great this master. Then, then asked him to give some this special treatment. Then he used this gun. Then that's tomato gun, really. Then shoot into the heart. Then that's just becoming Hayangirwa. Hayangirwa this 치대고들고 봐라. The standing is good to you.
The mark is the Hyangerwas shape.
Yeah, Hayangirwa. Then after that, his weak health is all completely gone. That is not the legend. That's by this autography. The
Self-biography.
Self-biography. And they are mentioned. That's I think that's it reliable. Self-biography, and they are mentioned. So our this connection also very special. He gave Ndonjin's life. His father, grandfather. Yeah, that's also very special. Okay. Yeah. Then today maybe just to say these four things. Then also maybe there any need to questions or answers, something.
About bodhicitta? Can we ask about bodhicitta?
Okay.
So,
Bodhicitta is
no,
yeah.
I want to have a question.
Oh yeah.
There's a sutra where in a previous life the Buddha goes with his mother and father and all the entourage in the forest, and young Buddha sees a mother tigress that is very weak, and him and his brother decide that this tigress will eat her babies, and he should give himself to the tigress so that
Yes.
she doesn't create bad karma. But then in the final chapters of the sutra, the mother and the father suffer a lot because where is our young boy? He gives himself up to the tigress. So he had bodhicitta, so he gave himself to the tigress so that she doesn't commit bad karma to eat her babies. But then his parents suffered, so even if you help somebody else suffers. How do you understand this?
You told that one is our Buddha Shakyamuni's
Yes,
Travis
previous life.
life. That one we called Stapmo illusion. That area is in Nepal. We also now everybody can go there to see. Then there is also Kangol, which is I think Sheta something is in there. Then also another one of yes. That one Buddha Shakyamuni, everybody thinks very special. Yes, that's special. That's special from where? Actually, from he raised Bodhisattva, Bodhicitta. Yeah. That's the main reason. Pending Yoni Zobi Sangi, Damchu relation to the on the day, that day, the Nida, Sangi, Tamjit, the Nida, Shanchuk Semi Toris, the Nida Shanchuk Semi, the Nida Mount Hoa, the Nida Tajik, Shanchuk Sembai or the Maris, Sangi or the Maris, the Nika Maris.
All the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas reborn from the Bodhicitta. Without Bodhicittas, there's no Buddha and Bodhisattva.
Yeah.
All the Buddhas are born from bodhicitta. Without bodhicitta, they
There
is
is
no
no
Buddha.
Bodhicitta. And this Rinpoche is quoted from the 37 practice of the Bodhisattva.
Yeah. This is okay answer. Not really. Not satisfied. Then how
So
to
how did Shakyamuni decide the tiger's suffering is less suffering than my parents' suffering, or vice versa? How did he discern between the sufferings? Because his parents will suffer if he will throw himself to the tigress to feed her, but also the cubs of the tigress will suffer if he doesn't do that, because she is hungry and she will eat them, and she will create bad karma because she will eat her cubs. So how did he decide which one to help? I mean, which one to for who to create happiness? Because you have to decide somehow. How do you come to this wisdom to know which one to help when it's so many people that you can help every day? So, not just animals, but everyone.
Yeah, certainly his parents also get this suffering, but that's not the so big suffering. Maybe just maybe think he lost there's this children mental suffering. Then this tiger is not mental suffering, almost the life suffering. Then not they get any eat, then suffering, they just die. So these compare, one is the mental suffering, one is the life suffering. That is a little bit different. Isn't it?
Okay.
Then that's also Buddha Shakyamuni can do that. Normal people certainly not can do it, because and there's this not really reach to this real bodhicitta. They don't have. So that's also very different. Then, yes.
What is the then difference between this real bodhicitta and the not real?
Oh. Yeah, first we know what is bodhicitta. Bodhicitta is two meanings. one is for whom? For all sentient beings. That is we call compassion. That is in Zhendun Mikbizur. Then another is not only this compassion, then also you should have Zhendun Dzogzhan Mikbizur. Then all sentient beings get rid of their suffering and also suffering's cause of suffering. Then get the enlightenment. That's we call the Dzogbi Shangchibla Mikbizur. Herb Dzogzhan Mikbizur te Zur Nisan Dun Nidan Demi Shangchibisem. That is Shadakani Chimchrev.
Okay. Deja?
There are two aspects. One that focuses on sentient
Right.
beings. There are two aspects. One that focuses on sentient beings through compassion, and then the aspect of wisdom that focuses on complete enlightenment. That's the second aspect.
Therefore, two goals,
Two goals.
two aspects.
Zur Nisan Dun Nidan Demi. Zur Nisan Dun Nidan Demi.
Two aspects and two goals.
Then we know this is the Bodhicitta. Then not reached there. This one, then certainly not the fake, but maybe 没有达标，没有达标，没有达到标准，not get this standards.
Not up to standard.
Not up to standards. Okay.
This is what we call absolute bodhicitta and relative bodhicitta.
That's one we usually say absolutely bodhicitta is Dondam Shangchuksen there in Dondam Shangchuksen. Dondam Shangchuksen usually we call this realized emptiness. Realization of emptiness. Then now we talk about this one is that consumption the relative bodhicitta. Then first we need to have relative this bodhicitta. Then this increase, and then we can get to this realization of emptiness. These are all what do you say? These help each other.
Bodhicitta of aspiration and bodhicitta of application.
To me, it's Chikomati.
No, on bassin qui est du bassin.
Yes.
Aspiration.
Aspiration. That's also in you learn this one very clearly. One is you just think of I go somewhere. Maybe I go to Portugal. Then that one is aspiration. But you should get there just you have a think of I should go. That's not enough. You must maybe take train or maybe take airplane or maybe somehow you should have a practice. Then you get there. That is the application. Oh yeah, application. Okay, application. That is practice. Buddhist.
What method does Rinpoche suggest to develop our own bodhicitta?
大家不给说了。
야지도 약지도 탑 가리유를
Then that's one. Why this first chapter is talk about benefit. Talk about benefit. Put the first chapter. Then everybody know. Oh. These things I take it, then it benefit to me, maybe benefit to my this body, maybe benefit to my business, maybe benefit to something. If they know these things, then have a interesting. Oh, I should do it. If you first don't know this benefit, then how can you have this interest? So that is the put in first. Then there are so many this benefit. If you have this bodhicitta, so many. One, your name also. You have the title. You have a title. You are the Bodhisattva. That's also very nice, isn't it? You have the title. Then second, then everybody in this world, we think something, say something, do something. Then maybe most time not really positive. Maybe a little bit harm others, or maybe something not so good things. In that case, then if you have just maybe moment you have this bodhisattva, or maybe say compassion, have this, then your this all these bad things can be that's different scale. Maybe so big these sins, or maybe very big this crime, then certainly that's also not completely gone, but anyway, that's spread. Then if spread means you don't need to next life to get to the hole. Here, get to here. That. Then, if you have a very strong compassion, then also this normal this sin or maybe normal unfortunate
Non-virtue. Non-virtue.
non-virtue. That's why then all the same as we burn就是草啊，干的那种草，
Grass.
grass, yeah. That's then completely this burnt these bad things. But anyway, you can study then in the commentary. I believe Dr. Rinpoche gave you very detailed and there. Then you can learn that many these benefit things in there. Okay. This is your answer.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Tap. Oh, tap. Tap means what the skill.
Methods.
Method. Okay. Method. Yeah, many methods. Method first. Mountain shop, big bag shop. Timby shop gave up the bell. That is it. Yeah. This is the code. Mountain shop.
Things that are not
Mountain shop in that dealing. Get that you.
that are not in harmony with bodhicitta, to confess them.
Yes. Big bag shop. Mountain shop is harmony is in a chong. Mountain shop in the dealing. Get that you back in the code. Yeah.
Against
Yeah. Then big bag shop at you, right?
confess the misdeeds
Yeah.
that are against it,
Yeah. Then he Timby shop.
the things that are
That thing, turn shop.
in harmony with.
Yeah. That teaching, but that then he sounds the same thing. Then that much of then that chick. Answer then the hell them bad. So that's what I'm saying. There it is.
To accumulate these 7 branches in order to try to hold on bodhicitta.
Oh yeah. The living symbolic now. That's it.
So this is explained in the 3rd chapter.
There then it that. Something is ceremony, so you are. There is one thing called ceremony. Then we get this Shangship symbol.
The vow of bodhicitta.
Yeah, there is a ceremony. Then Lama give you this. Then you repeat that kind of things. Yeah. After that, then also give you this name, give you the title. Yeah.
Then we are real bodhisattvas then?
Yeah.
And then after the ceremony we are real bodhisattvas, or it's just a kind of preparation?
That is, I think, maybe preparation. Real, then you must get an get into the bhumi, first bhumi. if you do, 소금 진복 값이야 됩니다. 다 야와시고 그래. 소금 진복.
On the great part of accumulation, also that's
Yeah,
quite
yeah.
good there.
Yeah.
Limachilla, I just
Yeah.
want to request.
Yes.
This great-grandfather
Yes.
of Pato Rinpoche,
Yeah.
he saved the life of Dokyense.
Yes.
Rinpoche, can you shoot our hearts?
Oh.
Can you?
Yeah. Then you ask Rinpoche what his grandfather did. Maybe you get some very special technique. Maybe then ask him. Okay. Very special technique. Maybe that. Maybe very secret. Maybe not so easy to show you.
Angela, what is your personal advice to evoke bodhicitta?
Gege che to back zuna. Chonche kusen kandi zutino.
How can we?
Yeah. That's very good question, actually. If very normal, everything goes very well, then that time I don't think you think about this bodhicitta. But if you face to or encountered very difficult time, then this is just check in your heart. Then maybe as this Dharma practitioner, then that time really this is the kind of test. For example, for me, I also face to many difficulties. That's also cultural revolution and that stuff. Then I'm so get angry because they miscuse you many things. Even though that time I was very young. Then I think this is unfair, that's very bad. Then certainly I also in my heart is full of maybe say hatred. Yeah. But somehow sometimes I also do some reflecting or 反省叫做什么？反省
Reflect.
reflecting
Self-thinking, you remind
Mm.
yourself.
Yeah.
You know.
还有其他的一个 words 是吗？不是 reflecting something 反省
反省啦。
反省
我马上替你查。
反省反省
OK。
注意反省
Introspection.
No.
But there's no internet here.
Okay.
I
No,
cannot.
yeah. But anyway, maybe we just use reflective. Then I think when I was young, also I meet so special these lamas. Then also I received quite a lot of these teachings. Then now, what happened to me? In that case, I also not really get this what to say this compassion. What's wrong with me? Then also sometimes I think check myself. Then I think that's the totally my mental attitude is wrong. Certainly, maybe they also maybe beat you. They also maybe scold you. That's certainly I did something wrong. In that case, I should change my this mental attitude. Then think of this, after thinking this, then also I also kind of nicely to these called maybe enemy or that kind of things. That's people. Then almost the same. Suddenly, my this mental attitude is changed. Then also towards them, they also think this person is now 可能是得到了改造了，得到了改造，是不是？
But they thought Rinpoche was transformed by the
transform.
transformed
Yeah.
by the Chinese who's
Re-educated.
the cultural revolution. They try to make him do things differently. You know?
Re-education. Then they also nice to you. So that is the first check myself. Then I think I should, as this Dharma practice, as a good Lama student, then you should have something positive. Okay, that is the answer. Thank you. Hello?
Can I ask? Because we are trying to have bodhicitta all the time, but sometimes disturbing emotions are very strong.
Yes.
We say something bad or we do something bad. Later we regret. Sometimes we cannot repair this situation. Then we remind about bodhicitta and think, okay, I did something very bad. What to do in this moment?
Maybe at the moment, maybe very strong emotions there, then probably just live there, then maybe go out, 散散心.
Take a break.
Yeah.
Break,
Take a break.
relax.
Then maybe think a little bit. That's probably maybe at the moment we can do that. If you study this very well, then probably at the moment also Dhanbada Hivjin awareness, Hivjin, Dhanbada Hivjin the level of one.
Mindfulness and introspection or vigilance?
Vigilance. If you practice very well, then certainly this suddenly also come. But as me, I can't say that's come. But maybe just take a break. Then think about it. Then do something more, take something onion bodhi, remedy, yeah. Okay.
when we do Tonglen,
Mm.
then there's always me and the other person.
Yes.
And how to combine Tonglen with this non-duality? Actually, there is no person, there's no me, there's no other. So how to combine this view and the practice?
Okay. That is actually, yeah, you said that is very good. Actually, non-dualism. There is no me, no others. But in fact, for the others, for the ours, always face to I am. You are. That is always we face to. In that case, that time we can't say non-dualism. That is too high to us. Maybe if you get there, then certainly very good. Then maybe not need to Tonglen come. But Tonglen is very necessary, even though these any bodhisattvas also do this Tonglen. That is relatively speaking. Tonglen is some people, really bodhisattva. He can Tonglen real do, not the only aspiration they do, real can do. Maybe say my these sufferings, or his somebody's sufferings, real take it into my heart. My all happiness, real give to him. As the same as maybe I take this one, give to you. Look like that. But that one is if you reach to very great level, then can do. We can't do this, but we practice. You practice many times, then certainly maybe you today, maybe we very simple way we say. Today you visit your friend, or maybe somebody is in hospital, you go there. Then also you just do this Tonglen with your this breathe in, breathe out. You do this. That is for us. That is practice. But this practice sometimes it works not so say very great work, but small work. I think it can be. Yeah. Thank you.
We can practice Tonglen also with our own suffering.
Pardon?
Tonglen,
Yeah.
our own suffering.
Our own
Suffering. Can we
Wrong. I don't understand.
can we practice Tonglen with our own suffering, not with others? We take our suffering. Our
wrong thing. Today is Marco.
You take this suffering yourself?
compromise, right? Kind of don't resist, but to get my suffering more.
You accept it
Yeah,
also.
maybe.
Đúng là Tonglen sẽ đi ra.
Đức Phật nói này.
Đúng là Tonglen sẽ chữa.
Yo.
Thế
Ta tiene la Tonglen về mãi. That's one is dummer tangling ki zot pa sechit tata stik teni nga tsog teni la zot pa konto la teni tata teni stik wikirwa.
Also, in the included the patient chapters,
Yeah.
you accept your sufferings.
Maybe I faced a lot of these problems. In that case, then usually we think about, oh, that's unfair. Then what you said, that kind of thing. Oh yeah, that's I should this maybe deserve or something. That is the kind of patience practice. 정말 당연히 기술다. 없이 라 지금 얘기 기술다. 근데 출랑 니생 기술다. 기술다 다들 남라 못치도가. 그 간에서 이렇게.
To accept the sufferings.
정말 당연히 기술다.
To
지금 얘기 기술다.
accept the enemies of harmonies. Equalize.
지금 얘기 기술다. 근데 출랑 니생 기술다. 출랑 니생 기술다. 다 근데 что мне это не на масаке. Что мне это не да. Да, человек, который
To accept the profundity of the emptiness.
So what's the point of bodhicitta if everything is an illusion, just a dream? What is the point?
illusion. But you can think everything is our illusion.
No, but that's what it says in the book. So
Yes, book says this correct.
what's
Then-
the point
then-
of bodhicitta? How did this philosophy come to be? You say this is just an illusion, just a dream. Then why bother with bodhicitta? We just should wake up.
Okay,
Just
then
focus on waking up and get on.
then this illusion, then very easily we wake up or not. No.
So but then bodhicitta is just a way to wake up.
Yes, that's also one of the
It's a
method.
Mahayana way.
Also the one of the method. Usually we say illusion, these kind of things. That's also practicing where we in this chapter, that's mainly also talking to the 8 chapters and 9 chapters, particularly 9 chapters. We can't get to this first chapter. We say these things may be too early. Maybe nobody can accept it. Oh,
So the point of bodhicitta is just to transmit the dharma. No?
yes. Then also you see the illusion. That's also the Dharma's view,
Yes.
not the our view, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just some beings don't know the dharma, so then the bodhicitta will transmit the dharma. They
Yeah.
realize it's an illusion.
That's first. Maybe if you are interested in Dharma, then do this way. If you are not interested in, then that is something else. Yeah. If you're not interested in Dharma, then certainly we say, oh, this is illusion. They never think, oh, that's maybe this person have something mentally wrong. Maybe you should see some mental doctor.
Yeah, but anyway, when we think about others,
Yes.
we forget ourselves.
Oh, yeah.
Then when we forget ourselves, it's easier to realize that everything is quite, especially I am nothing.
Yes.
It's not very difficult.
Yeah. If you get there, then certainly so wonderful. That's really, yes, that's wonderful. That's really wonderful.
In the West, many people just forget themselves, and then after this, suddenly they realize they did too much, and they get completely like exhausted. So maybe we should not forget ourselves.
Get ours, that's a how to. That's also probably. Get ours is say probably maybe easy, but real get myself or maybe my relatives or maybe my groups or something. That's not so easy. If you then there are probably maybe two types. One thing is 就是完全是就是麻的神经得到了这个麻，它不是没有这个什么知觉，这种麻的。
No. No.
Numb, yes. That kind of thing is not really good. But another thing is real think others, real not think ourselves. That is good. There are two types of things.
就是说，刚才他说，如果他常常 give out， 他觉得筋疲力尽，对吗？他就想到不再愿意再 give out。But 如果是真的 give out， 他不会有这个筋疲力尽的感觉。
对呀，是。
What Ricochet is trying to say, if we really thinking of the others, giving, helping the others, we would not have the feeling of exhausted. You won't have that kind of feeling. If it's a real helping the others with, it's not conditional, it's unconditional, then you won't have the feeling of like, I got exhausted, I got fed up. Keep on giving out, no return.
Why just said that if we understand the emptiness in correct way more and more, why just says that compassion, that we become more compassion. What is connection between the correct understanding of emptiness and compassion?
One is the we say compassion. One is the emptiness. If you really realize, or maybe you have some experience of this emptiness, then also you practice bodhicitta or maybe compassion is easier. Because you not so much their attachment. Emptiness is the cut of our attachment. Why you learn emptiness? That is the cut of our attachment. That attachment is in the one. Attachment that is in that. Clinging attachment.
Grasping, clinging, attachment. 그래서 수남다요
단체식관이 도금니 배단한 같이 기간하시 와라 주파이 수분 소리 로건 졸와